Welcome dear guests and 6th grade students. I am Dismash Cudeberg and today prepared an especially report for your open lesson about healthy takeaway in THUK. Please listen attentively. Brits love takeaway food, but some dishes are healthier than others. And there are in the UK most popular Chinese food, Turkish food, and Indian food. And now my friend Jackie Chan tells you about Chinese food.
Have a good day. I am Jackie Chan by request. Dimashi tell you about Chinese food. The first Chinese restaurant opened in London over 100 years ago, and now it's one of the nation's favorite takeaways. But next time, try noodles with bean sprouts, which has very few calories compared to crispy duck pancakes or spring rolls. Now my friend Shakruk Khan will tell you about Indian food.
Indian food. British people love curries. They spend £250 million a year on them and they usually order too much food. Why not share your chicken tikka masala with a friend? And make sure you order boiled rice, which has very little fat, rather than fried rice. Thank you for your attention. My colleague Barak Osavit will continue.
I am Barak from Turkey. Tell you about kebabs in the UK. Immigrants from Turkey and Cyprus brought kebabs to Britain. Now they're a favorite nighttime snack. But ask the owner just to put a bit of meat in the pita bread and fill it up with salad. Ordering takeaway tonight? Make a healthy choice.